Hello, I'm Congresswoman Debbie Wasserman Schultz, representing Florida's 25th Congressional District, and it's my pleasure to address the importance of ending child drownings, a silent, tragic epidemic. Since my days in the Florida legislature to my current role in the U.S. Congress, I've been a vocal champion for drowning prevention and water safety policies. And to this day, I'm still fighting, still educating and advocating, and I'm still carrying the banner on this issue because it's one more child's life that might be saved. Sadly, drowning remains the #1 cause of unintentional death for children younger than 5, and the second leading cause of unintentional death for kids 14 and younger. In other words, drowning is a public health issue, one that disproportionately impacts low-income and minority families, particularly Black, Hispanic, American Indian, Alaska Native, and tribal families, one that creates a great risk for autistic children, and one that annually has a devastating impact in Florida, where we have already suffered 66 child drowning deaths to date this year. Unfortunately, these awful statistics are not new. Drowning rates have been worsening over the last several years. To ensure that we do everything in our power to prevent as many drownings as we can, we need a unified response, one that brings together federal, state, and local leaders. For my part, as a legislator, I've used my platform to pass laws and launch programs to create layers of protection, change outdated policies to address disparities, and increase funding for life-saving programs. And my attention is now set on comprehensive legislation to address the recommendations outlined in the recently released U.S. National Water Safety Action Plan, in which the NDPA played a pivotal role. It is imperative that we create more layers of protection to prevent drownings, encourage swim lessons, safety devices and barriers, bystander response techniques like CPR, active supervision and lifeguard training, and public pool deserts. There is so much we can and must do, and the Water Safety Action Plan is a vital blueprint for our communities. It's a groundbreaking national roadmap that spells out essential actions that will save lives. Across America, families are taking to water more than ever. What all of us want more than anything is for our young people to be safe when they take part in water activities. In a warm weather state like Florida, children are around the water year-round, so we must always be vigilant. Drowning deaths are preventable if we work together, seek resources, provide education, and ensure there are layers of protection in place when supervision lapses. We are still in the fight because preventing drowning must be a national priority. I will never give up, and I hope you won't either. We'll never know how many lives we may save or how many near drownings we may prevent, but we do know that we can prevent the heartbreak of countless parents. That alone is worth the effort. Thank you so much.